How to start an LLC in Alaska. Starting an LLC in Alaska is a straightforward process that offers liability protection and flexibility for business owners. By following key steps, including choosing a unique name, filing necessary documents, and ensuring compliance with local regulations, you can successfully establish your LLC and embark on your journey in the last frontier. Choose a business name. The first step in forming an LLC in Alaska is selecting a unique business name that adheres to the state regulations. The name must include Limited Liability Company or LLC to clearly indicate its status as an LLC. Additionally, ensure the name is not already in use by checking the Alaska Division of Corporations database to avoid potential conflicts. Appoint a registered agent. Next, you need to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. This individual or business entity will be responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your company. The registered agent must have a physical address in Alaska and be available during regular business hours. Choosing a reliable registered agent is crucial for maintaining compliance and ensuring timely communication. File Articles of Organization. To officially establish your LLC, you must file the Articles of Organization with the Alaska Division of Corporations. This document includes essential details such as the LLC's name, registered agent information, and the purpose of the business. You can file online or submit a paper application by mail, and there is a filing fee of $250 that must accompany your submission. Create an operating agreement. Although not legally required in Alaska, drafting an operating agreement is highly recommended for your LLC. This internal document outlines the management structure, member responsibilities, and operational procedure of your business. Having an operating agreement helps clarify expectations among members and provides a framework for decision-making process, thus minimizing potential conflicts in the future. Obtain an Employer Identification Number or EIN. The Employer Identification Number is essential for tax purposes and is required if your LLC has more than one member or plans to hire employees. You can apply for an EIN through the IRS website at no cost. This unique 9-digit number identifies your business for federal tax reporting and allows you to open a business bank account, making it vital for financial operations. File Initial Report. Within 6 months of forming your LLC, you are required to file an initial report with the state of Alaska. This report provides updated information about your LLC's members and management structure, ensuring that state records remain accurate. There is no fee associated with filing this report, but it is important to complete it on time to maintain good standing with the state. Comply with additional licensing requirements. Depending on the nature of your business and its location, you may need additional licenses or permits to operate legally in Alaska. Research local regulations and industry-specific requirements to ensure compliance with all applicable laws. This step may involve obtaining local business licenses, health permits, or professional licenses depending on your specific business activities and location within the state. Establishing an LLC in Alaska provides valuable benefits like liability protection and operational flexibility. By carefully following the outlined steps and ensuring compliance with the state regulations, you can confidently launch your business and thrive in Alaska's dynamic entrepreneurial landscape. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.